Alright, so we have this little planter here, and we're getting water to it for a drip line, but what I did is I put let me show you from the beginning. I tied it into this drip line right here, and it's going, and you see a little spaghetti line there, so it's a 1/2-inch drip into the spaghetti line going across in here, and then it starts to go underground. A little real shallow though, along the perimeter, so it's not too bad. You're not going to get any traffic on it, see? And it's just a little ways down there. I did put some staples to kind of hold it down on the ground, but it's underneath the dirt. Basically it's like about 1 inch on the bottom from the top. Then one right here, went right over here on the top like that. So what I'm going to do is I got these little stakes here. And what it does is it comes this tall. Let me show you. It comes like this when you buy it. Okay. And then what you do is you can modify it and cut it so it's smaller to be down a little bit lower. Okay. Okay, so okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this geared up here. So what we'll do here is put this right here. Try to get that a little lower. That's kind of, let me see. That, and then we'll put this to clamp on that, and then so we're putting this T here so we can go to another line. And I'm gonna put it straight across. Slack there. Same thing we'll do here is we're going to cut this like about half. Take the top part, spin this off right here. You don't need that. Put this on here, the top that you just cut off. Okay, and then we'll put this on there like this. Okay, and turn it to this is the 180. And these right here are adjustables. This right here adjusts the spray. And so I'm gonna turn it on. And there's a couple ways to adjust this to get it spraying down, spraying in the area. So I'm gonna turn it on, and then you can see how we can adjust it. Right, so we got to definitely trim this down a little bit more. See, now, see how we can adjust that. The other thing you do is you can put it more of an angle. Now this is not really deep, so what we can do is we can modify this, cut this off a little bit, and it's still going to stick in there. I know you're going to kind of cut the point off, but that's okay. That's just it's soft enough so you can still stick it in there. See how that went down further? Yeah, that's a lot better. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Cut this a little bit. Right. So we can cut it down a little bit, create a little, and put it like in a little angle. That will get it to go down this direction. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. And bump it up just a little bit. Okay. All right. Well, that's not bad. And you need to add a little more to the system. You can no problem. You can do another couple sprinklers, or two, maybe just two more. That's about it. I'm gonna put a little staple there to kind of hold that down. All right, so we got that on. That's good. Shows up there.